Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th Standard Max. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Life is like a camera. Just focus on what is important. Capture the good times. Develop from the negatives. If things don't work out, take another shot. Let's start the session. Exercise 1.4 11th question. The distance S an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by S of t equal to 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b, where g is the acceleration due to the gravity. A and b are constants. Verify whether the function s of t is 1 to 1 or not. So first of all, here the given is s of t. That is the distance s travel in a time t seconds. So that is the equation given s of t equal to 1 by 2 into gt square plus at plus b. Here g is the acceleration due to gravity. So g is the acceleration due to gravity means it must be in the positive. If it is negative means it is not acceptable. Then a and b are constants. Here we want to verify that s of t is 1 to 1 or not. Here we didn't have any number. If you have any number means we have substitute and get the answer from the arrow diagram. If it is pass all the ones have the element in the distinct image means we say it is 1 to 1. For that, we have another one method, that is f of x equal to f of y. If we take means we get x equal to y. If we get means we say it is 1 to 1. So likewise, here s of t is mentioned. So here we want to take f of x equal to f of x y means here we can take s of t equal to s of u. In place of f of x equal to f of y, we can take s of t equal to s of u, because the variable alone we want to different. Likewise, here also we have changed t u. Again, I have repeat you. இங்க நம்ம எடுக்கிறது f of x equal to f of y. That condition we want to assume that, and we want to solve x equal to y. Likewise, for this question, we have assumed that s of t equal to s of u. If you assume this one, we want to get t equal to q. If we get means it is 1 to 1, or otherwise it is not 1 to 1 function. So first of all, we want to substitute s of t, they given. So 1 by 2 gt squared plus at plus b equal to, here we have s of u. In place of t, we want to substitute u. So 1 by 2 g u squared plus au plus b. Already I have said in between we have a equal sign means, so in between equal sign means we can cancel same variable and also same sign. Here we have a plus b, here also we have a plus b. It will be go that side means minus b. So it is cancelled. Here we have c gt squared, here we have a gu squared, here we have a au, here we have a at. So here also we can say, ma'am, 2 we can cancel, but it will multiply with the another term. So now take all the terms inside this side, or otherwise you have to take right hand side, whatever you have choice. So here I have taken into the left hand side. So 1 by 2 gt squared plus at, here we have will come means minus 1 by 2 gu squared, here plus au, it will become this side means minus au equal to 0. Now we can say if we have any common term means, so here we have a 1 by 2g, here we also we have a 1 by 2g. So if it is take common means, because we want to reduce the equation, reduce பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால இதை சால்வ் பண்ணி காட்ட முடியும். So எது common terms, if you have any common term means we have to take outside. So first and third we have a common term, that is 1 by 2 into g. If you take 1 by 2 g means 1 by 2 is taken outside, g also taken outside. So the remaining term is t squared. Likewise, here we have a minus sign. Then 1 by 2 we taken outside, g also taken outside, u squared. Likewise, for the second term and the fourth term, we have a common term is that is a. So here we have to take plus a. If you take outside means t is remaining minus u equal to 0. From here we can use here we have a t squared minus u squared. We know that this is algebraic formula. That is what? Identity. A squared minus b squared identity. So formula is a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now we want to change that 1 by 2 g t squared minus u squared is there. So in place of a we have to substitute t. In place of b we have to substitute u. So that is t plus u into t minus u plus a into t minus u equal to 0. From this we can take any common terms. Yes, here we have a t minus u. Here also we have a t minus u. So if you take outside means t minus u. If you take outside means the remaining term is here 1 by 2g into t plus u. Here we have a plus a. So if it is closed equal to 0. Now if it is here we have a multiply symbol t minus u into this term. Here we can say two possible terms. So what are this? Here if it is go this side means 0 by anything, what we have get? That is 0. 0 by 1 also 0. Then 1 by 0 means what we have say? That is infinity. So it is infinity if we say, or otherwise not defined, because it is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. So if it is go that side means 0. So t minus u equal to 0. Then if it is possible for the second one, if it is take this one means t minus u that side go means it is divided by t minus u. That means 1 by 2g into ut plus u plus a equal to 0. So like that, here we have say solved means minus u, it will be go that side means plus u. So t equal to u. Likewise, here we want to solve that. So here if we take 1 by 2g t plus u plus a, it will be go that side means minus a. Then 2 if it is go that side means it is in denominator. If it is go means that is in numerator. So g into t plus u equal to minus 2a. By 1 means we get same value. We want t minus u. So t minus u equal to minus 2a into g. It will become this sign means divide. Already I have said g is the acceleration due to gravity. So for that acceleration it is in positive sign alone. If it is in negative means it is not acceptable. So you have to omit this value. So that means you have say this is discard from the assumption. So we can take a t equal to u. Already I have said f of x equal to f of y. If we assume that means x equal to y. If it is solved means it is 1-to-1 function. Likewise here we can take s of t equal to s of u. So we want to solve t equal to u. Here we can solve. So it is 1-to-1 function. Again I have repeat you from this. So the common terms you know that. Then இங்கே எடுக்கும்போது நம்ம 2 அசம்ஷனாக எடுக்கணும். ஏன் அப்படி 2 அசம்ஷனாக எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா, இங்கே நமக்கு 2 டேர்ம்ஸ் கிடச்சிருக்கு. ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் மட்டும் நமக்கு கிடைக்கல, 2 எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கிடச்சிருக்கு. ஸோ we have to take 2 sides. So for the first side we can take t minus u equal to 0 because the whole term it is in the multiplication. If it is go that side means it will become divide. So 0 by anything we get 0. So likewise, the second assumption is if it is we have take this part means t minus u it will become down. So 0 by thing 0. Now we want to solve this one. So t equal to u. Here if it is solved means we get negative gravity. So acceleration must be what? Positive. So if it is negative means you have to omit this one. So alone I have said this is discard. Discard means இதை நம்ம cancel பண்ணிட்டோம். ஏன்னா இது வந்து 2 assumption நம்ம எடுத்திருக்கோம். Any one possible, if it is possible means we have say it is 1-to-1 function. So நமக்கு first இதுலயே நமக்கு கிடைச்சதுனால it is 1-to-1 function. 12th question. The function t which maps temperature in Celsius C into temperature in Fahrenheit F is defined by T of C equal to F. So here the given is T of C equal to F, where F also here the given. So F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So here we can substitute T of C equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32 because here the given defined is T of C equal to F. We want to find 5 subdivisions. First one is T of 0. Second one is T of 28. Third one T of minus 10. And fourth one find the value of C when T of C equal to 212. Then fifth one find the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. So first of all we want to find the first one T of 0. T of 0 means we have to substitute in this value alone because T of C and F is equal. So T of C equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. So in place of C you have to substitute 0. So T of 0 equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. If it is multiple means we get 0. 0 plus 32, 32. So T of 0 equal to 32. So here consideration is T of C equal to Fahrenheit. So 32 degree Fahrenheit for T of 0. So second one is T of 28. So here T of C equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. In place of C, we have to substitute 28. So 9 by 5 into 28 plus 32. So first of all, here see the denominator. Here we have a 5. Here we have a 1. So in between the numerator, we can multiple because in 5 table, we can't cancel 28. So first you have to multiple with the 28 into 9. So 9 7s are 70. Sorry, 9 8s are 72. Balance 7. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7, 252. So 252 divided by 5 plus 32 divided by 1. So here the denominator is different. So here we want to cross multiply. So 1 into 252, 252 plus 32 into 5. So 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So 160 divided by 1 5 is 5. This is cross multiplication method. That is 1 into 252. Then 5 into 32. In denominator you have to multiple. This is the rules for the cross multiplication. Now we want to add. So 0 plus 2, 2. 5 plus 6, 11, balance 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 5. Now we want to divide. So here 412 divided by 5. So 8 5s are 40, balance 1. Now 2 is get down. So 2 5s are 10. remaining 2. So after that we want to point and write 0. Then 4 5s are 20. So here itself we get the answer. That is what? 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. This is for T of 28. That is temperature 28. We get that 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Likewise, we want to find the third subdivision. So third subdivision is T of minus 10. So likewise we want to substitute. So here T of C equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. So in place of C we want to substitute minus 10. So 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32. In previous sum we can't cancel, but here we can cancel because in the same table 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Now you have to multiple. So plus into minus, minus 9 2s are 18 plus 32. Now we want to subtract. So all the ones know that subtraction. But here also I have say, because so many students forgot the subtraction. See that here 2 minus 8. If it is possible, no. Now we want to borrow from the near number. So 2, it will be changed. 10 add means we got 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. Then 2 minus 1, 1. So here the greater one is 32. So the sign is positive. So T of minus 10 equal to, so 14 degree Fahrenheit. Then fourth subdivision, find the value of C when T of C equal to 212. Here the given is Fahrenheit, that is T of C given 212. We want to find the C. So the given is T of C equal to 212. We want to take that equation, that is T of C equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. T of C given, that is 212. So now we want to substitute equal to 9 by 5. This is C. So C is not known because we want to find that, plus 32. So now 32 it will become this sign means minus. So 212 minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 C. So now we want to subtract. So 212 minus 32. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3, it is not possible. So 1, 11. So 11 minus 3, we get 8, 1. So 180 equal to 9 by 5 C. So it is in the denominator. So it will become this sign means, that is in fraction means, if you go this sign means that will be in the reciprocal form. So C equal to 180 into 5 by 9. So overall fraction means if it is go this side means that will be taken in the reciprocal. So here we can cancel. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 0. If we multiple means 5 2s are 10. That is 0. 100 degree Celsius. For C value is 100 degree Celsius. Likewise, we want to find the fifth subdivision. Fifth subdivision, find the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. In which temperature, that is Celsius value and Fahrenheit value equal. So the given is Celsius equal to F. From that we want to find the temperature. So already we know that is F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. In place of F we can substitute C because the same value alone we want to find that. So that alone we have to change it here. So C equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now this also we have a C. Here also we have a C. So take it in the same side. So C minus 9 by 5 C equal to 32. You can ask, ma'am, if it is taken this sign means reciprocal alone. Here we have a C is with there. So in between we have a plus sign. So we can take as symbol alone. So now the denominator is check. So here we have a 1, here we have a 5. So we can take cross multiplication. So my 5c, because 5 into c, 5c. Here a plus into minus minus 9c, because here we have to multiple 9 into c, 9c, divided by 1 5 is 5, equal to 32. Here if it is subtract means we get minus 4c. Subtraction பண்ணும்போது c ஓட பவரை ஆட் பண்ணக்கூடாது, because for the addition subtraction we have to check with the coefficient alone, not with the power. Divided by 5 equal to 32. So here 5 it will be go that side. So minus 4c equal to 32 into 5. So we know that multiplication. So minus 4c equal to 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So now we have take minus 4 is come down means 160 divided by minus 4. Here we can cancel with the fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16, 0. So plus into minus, minus 40 degree. So at 40 degree Celsius temperature, the Celsius value and Fahrenheit value is equal. Next topic, composition of function. See the definition. Let f from a to b and g from b to c be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by g of f is defined as the function g of f of x equal to g of f of x. So here for all x belongs to a, the symbol is for all. We have to read as for all. See here, in previous exercise we have see only f of x, because for the one function we can solve, that is x equal to 1, x equal to 2, like that if we have find and get the type of function, and also we have find the domain, codomain, range, like that. Here we have a composition, that is mingle with the another one set. Here we have check with the two function, that is f and g, f of x and g of x. So here see one diagram. This is the example for this composition of function. Here we have a set is considered as x, b set as considered as f of x. From this alone we have see for the previous classes. So for again next one is condition is for the g function. Here we have a, here also I have written g of f of x. That is the condition for g of f. We can say that is a g dot f, we can't say g of f, like that we have to say. So here the function is move on for x belongs to a, from the a set to c set, that is g of f. Again I have repeat you, இங்கே நம்ம வந்து ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் பார்ப்போம், தட் இஸ் எஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன் அண்ட் ஜி ஃபங்க்ஷன். எஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன் இஸ் ஃப்ரம் a to b and g function is from b to c. According to the question it will be changed, because from the values we can change from the set. So two functions and the function f and g, it will be denoted for the composition of function means that is g of f. Ma'am g of f மட்டும் தான் இருக்குமா அப்படினு கேட்டினா கிடையாது. So f of g also is there. So g of f is represented as g of f of x and f of g is represented as f of g of x. Which one is first one? That is taken as first one, then second one as g of x. So first we have solved with the x for the second one and we have to solve with the first one. Same procedure, எப்படி substitute பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே same procedure தான் இருக்கும். But for the value ரெண்டுலையுமே எப்படி நம்ம explain பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, for the simplification, first of all you have studied with the addition, then subtraction, then multiplication and division. And after higher classes we have see addition and subtraction in one sum, or otherwise addition, subtraction, multiplication in one sum, or otherwise all the terms in the same question. Likewise for the function, first of all see for the one function, that is f of x or g of x, like that we have seen. For the second type is composition of function, that is two composition of function First we have to see. Next we want to see the 3 function. So for this composition of function, first of all we have see some examples. Example 1.19. Find f of g and g of f when f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to x squared minus 2. In previous sums and all, we have given only f of x alone given. Then we have substitute and find the value for the x and f of x. For the pairing, we find the one-to-one function, on-to function, many-to-one function or into function. Like that, we have type of function and domain range. From this, we want to find only f of g, that is composition of f and g and composition of g and f. So for that, first of all, given we want to write. So given is f of x and g of x. So f of x equal to 2x plus 1, g of x equal to x squared minus 2. So first of all, we want to find the f of g. So f of g equal to, first of all, write f of g, we want to write f of g of x. Like that we want to change. So f of g of x means g of x, it is in the bracket. For g of x, the given value is we want to substitute. So f of, in place of g of x, we want to substitute x squared minus 2. x squared minus 2. Again repeat you. இங்க நமக்கு f of g கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So அதை we want to change by the definition f of g of x. ஏன்னா first f இருக்கு, second தான் g இருக்கு. So அதை நம்ம substitute பண்ணிருக்கோம். In place of g of x, we want to substitute the value x squared minus 2. Now see f of x squared minus 2னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இப்போ suppose in previous sums f of x it will be given 2x plus 1 like that given. We want to find f of 5 means what you have to do, in place of x you have to substitute 5. So அப்படி substitute பண்ணுவீங்களா? இங்கே என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, f of x squared minus 2 ஓட வேல்யூ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஆல்ரெடி f of x இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 2x plus 1. So இந்த x க்கு பதிலா எந்த value we want to substitute, x squared minus 2. So here the given is f of x equal to 2x plus 1. This is example for the definition alone. You won't write this. f of x equal to 2x plus 1 வந்து given கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த x க்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன substitute பண்ண போறோம், x squared, x க்கு பதிலா x squared minus 2 substitute பண்ண போறோம். So here we want to substitute 2 into x squared minus 2 plus 1. So 2 உள்ள multiple பண்ணிக்கலாம். So 2 into x squared plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 plus 1. So here we want to subtract because these two are constants. This is with the variable. So 2x squared minus 3 because minus 4 is the greater one. So minus sign is there. So subtract means we get minus 3. So the f of g value is 2x squared minus 3. Now you clear? Likewise, we want to find the g of f. So g of f equal to, likewise from the definition we want to check. Here we have a 2 composition. So first one is g. So g of f of x. So here inside the bracket we have a f of x. So f of x, the given expression is 2x plus 1. Likewise, here f of x we want to substitute the value means likewise we want to find the g of 2x plus 1. So in place of g of x, already the given is what? G of x equal to x squared minus 2. In place of x, we want to substitute, what we have substitute? 2x plus 1. So x க்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன substitute பண்ண போறோம், 2x plus 1. So here we want to substitute, that is what? Here x squared is there. So 2x plus 1 the whole squared minus 2. So it is in the identity formula, that is a plus b the whole squared. So a plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in place of a you want to substitute 2x. In place of b we want to substitute 1. So here we want to substitute means 2x the whole square plus 2 into a is 2x into 1 plus b squared is 1 squared. Here we have minus 2. So now we want to square the value. So 2 into 2, 4 x squared. Here we want to multiple. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1, 4. So 4 into x, 4x. 1 squared is 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2. Here the constant term is there. Other 2 and all different because this is the power is 2. Here we have the power is 1. So both are different. We can't add or subtract. So write as it is. 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. So g of f equal to 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. So now you clear with the f of g and g of f. Again I have repeat you f of g அப்படின்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா we want to use that f of g of x. Likewise g of f கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா g of f of x. Just we want to substitute with the two composition. At the timeல நம்ம ரெண்டு compositionமே யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அதுக்கு எப்படி solve பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கறத this method. We want to find the expression or any value like that. So then here we want to check, that is f of g and g of f is equal. No, it is not equal because for the note, one note is there. Here one note is there, that is generally f of g is not equal to g of f for any two function f and g. So composition of function is, that is for two function is not commutative. In 9th standard itself we have studied commutative, associative, like that. For the property, here also we can say in the x function, that is for the two function f of g and g of f is always not equal, or otherwise we can say it is not commutative. So this is important rule for the question we can use because there are so many questions asked, it is a commutative or not, like that in one word. For the f of g and g of f always is not equal. Okay students, today's session is over. Write your CW neatly and properly. Thank you.